My name is Chris from Flow Designs Australia, and I'm one of the co-founders. So Flow Designs came about because there was a time where I couldn't find the right product to suit my own personal car, unless you were to import something from overseas. So we took it upon ourselves to create a product for not only my car, but every car possible for the Australian market. The product that we create and sell is split kits. What makes us different is that we create a product that lasts. So our material is unique to us, so it's durable, it won't crack on you, and we guarantee it, or we back it with a 10-year warranty. Our OEM Plus philosophy is all about creating a product that complements the car. So you don't want to make a product that takes away the aesthetics of the car. You want to make it look like it's part of the car. So with that in mind, we take a lot of care to design products that will complement the car as a whole rather than at a part by itself. So a lot of people don't know, but we are part of the Australian Made campaign, and everything we do here is done in-house. And there are a few things that we source outside, but it's within a closed loop. So we work with local suppliers for, say, hardware and packaging. We do design the products here, we manufacture the products here, and we also ship out from the same facility. So the process to create splitters or diffusers is quite a lengthy one. A lot of people don't know, but it takes up to 6 to 8 weeks to create a complete kit. The reason why it takes so long is because we need to draw every single line and make sure every single hole lines up to where it needs to be. So when it comes to fitment, the customer can be confident that it lines up perfectly. They can drill the holes where it's needed. So our design process is unique to us. We focus a lot on hardware, and hardware is really important because of our 10-year warranty. The product needs to be good as the way it's mounted to the car. We spend a lot of money designing our own hardware, making sure it's black, make sure it's seamless, long enough or short enough. If it's not, we'll make something custom for that purpose so the customer has the best experience. So in the future, we'd like to keep design and manufacturing local, because I think for us, it's a core part of our business, Australian made. Not only design, but we want to keep on innovating. But the most important thing is to keep it all in-house so we can propel ourselves forward and be different to our competitors.